Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to perform a factory reset using the WebUI. Now, a factory reset obviously sounds a little bit more intense than a regular reset. The real only difference is that instead of just performing a restart on the receiver, the factory reset also performs a self-check. So your radio settings, your network settings, they won't be deleted. They'll still be on the receiver. You're just going to have to wait a little longer as it reboots and runs through a self-check. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've already logged on to the Hemisphere WebUI, and I'll just put a link in the top right corner to a video on how to do that if you don't already know. And I'm going to head to the Management tab here on the right, and if I scroll all the way to the bottom, there's an option for a Restore Factory Settings. I'm going to hit OK and OK, and in a couple of seconds my receiver will restart and begin to run through that self-check menu. Now there's also a way to do it through FieldGenius, which again I'm going to put a link to in the top right corner. But for now, that is everything in today's video on how to do it through the WebUI. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.